Uh, Good morning to everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about merge sort in design and analysis of algorithm. So merge sort means combine. Merge means combine. Combining the sorted elements in an array is called as merge sort. Combining the sorted elements in an array is called as merge sort. So now let us consider about this example. Let I have A one array, B one and another array. I have some elements in A array, I have some elements in B array. Let me assume that m number of elements in A array and n number of elements in B array. To track the elements, I am using the variable I as well as j. Now, if I have m number of elements in A array and n number of elements in B array means my merge sort will contains combination of both A and B array. So the m plus n number of elements will be available in my resultant array. So if I have m number of elements in A array and n number of elements in B array means my sorted array would have m plus n number of elements. That is the concept of merge sort. So here first element I am going to represent as A of 1 and in the second array I am going to represent B of j. So initially I will compare A of first element with B of first element. If A of first element is less than B of first element, then I will copy the element, small element, then I will keep it in my C array. This is the concept. So here in A array I have taken 2, 8, 15, 18. B array I have taken 5, 9, 12 and 17. So first 2 will be compared with 5. 2 is less than 5. So I will copy 2 and paste it in C array. Second I will compare 8 with, now I move one step ahead of the I value. So 8 will be compared with 5. So 5 is less than 8. So I will keep 8 in my C array. Then I will move my j value. So now j is pointing 9, I is pointing 8. I am comparing 8 with 9. Now 8 is less than 9. So I will keep 8 in my C array. Next I will keep my j value as it is. I will move one step ahead of my I value. So now my I value is 15. I am comparing 15 with 9. 9 is small. So I will keep my 9 in C array. Then I will move ahead 1 point j value. I will keep I value as it is. Now 15 is compared with 12. 12 is less than 15. So I will paste 12 in the resultant array. Then next I will compare 15 with 17. 15 is smaller. So 15 will be written in C array. Then next 18 and 17 will, 15 is written in C array. Next I am comparing 18 with 17. 17 is smaller than 18. So I will write 17 in the resultant array. At last only one element alone present in A array. So whatever be the element available remaining, and if those element doesn't have comparison with any other element in another array, I have to copy those element and I have to paste it in C array. So that's what I have taken 18 and I have written in C array. This is the concept of merge sort. Next I will take one more example for merge sort, and this is a algorithm which I have written. So before that I told you at the very beginning only A as well as B pointing the value of first element. So I value, j value will be assigned to 1 and the smaller element will be written in C value, C array. So C array, to track the number of elements in C array, I am using the variable k. So I equal to j equal to k equal to 1. Next, if I have only one element alone in this array, I need not have to sort it out. So like that I have written in algorithm for merge sort A, B, M, N, where A is one array, B is another array. M is number of elements in A array, N is number of elements in B array. Next I have written I equal to 1, j equal to 1, then k equal to 1. Afterwards I am checking if first element or any element of A array less than any element of B array. I'll place the A array's element in C array. Then first element I'll compare with I and j. Next element I plus plus j plus plus. So keep on, it will be incremented. So whatever be the value, I'll less than the other value to be placed in C array. That's what I had written, C of k plus plus and A of I plus plus. If it is not, then C of k plus plus is equal to B of j plus plus. This is the algorithm. And next, as I said before, if any one of the element in any array doesn't have comparison with any other element in another array, I have to copy those elements and I have to paste it in C array. According to that, here I had written for semicolon, no need to initialize any value, I less than or equal to m, I plus plus, then C of k plus plus is all the elements, the remaining elements which doesn't have comparison with any other array will be placed. So C of k plus plus is equal to A of I. Likewise, in the B array, if any element doesn't have comparison with any other element, I am going to use for semicolon j less than n, j plus plus, C of k plus plus is equal to P of j. So this is the concept of merge sort. So merge sort means combining the elements from two different array. If element of one array is less than the element of another array, those element will be copied and pasted in the resultant array. At last, if any one of the element doesn't have comparison with any other element in another array, those elements need to be written in C array. This is the concept of merge sort. Thank you.